What is the reason? Because of cloud computing is nothing but using internet we can develop an application. Okay.
Okay.
Best example is without installing any software, any hardware, we can using internet we can able to develop any type of application. See, example is VLC player or anything, any Skype or like that. Anything we can able to develop using cloud computing. It is
Okay.
called cloud computing.
Cloud computing.
Actual definition of cloud computing is in general term that involves delivering postal services over the internet. Means internet will involving in the developing an application and that will use support database, backend, front end, and everything. Means you can able to write code on the cloud and you can able to save code on the cloud only, not in your desktop.
Okay.
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 Java or .NET like that, that all are you have to install in your own PC.
Okay.
But cloud computing is not required to install anything. Just connect to the internet and you can able to develop anything without installing any software.
Okay.
That is the main requirement. Whenever you will create an application, whenever you are saving the data, means that data will not save in our desktop. That will save on the cloud server.
Okay.
Servers maintenance, backend, front end, all that, all those things can take the responsibility responsible to cloud computing, who are providing the cloud services to the users. In real time example is electricity. Means electricity is manufacturing somewhere, services provided by some others. Just you are using the electricity and paying the money for how much you are using. Hello?
I'm hearing you, sir. Please go ahead, sir. I'm hearing you. Okay.
Yeah. Simple prepaid connection. Prepaid connection means you are just paying the money using as much you are using. Rent a car or water supply, like that. Just what you are using, that much money only you will be able to pay. See, think once, if you are developing application in SAP, means you have to pay crores of rupees to SAP people. They will give the software to you. Later, you have to install that software in your PC, and you have to develop.
Okay.
That is taking very high risk, and you have to maintain the server and run server administration and team in some place.
Okay.
In your company. That cost is very high. Main concept of cloud computing is to decrease the cost. Previously, we are using the mainframes. User will connect to the terminal terminal will connect to the mainframe server. So using the through the terminal, user can able to access the mainframe servers. Later, in the next generation, peace computing is came, means only user will able to connect to the computer. Later, network computing is came in the market. In this network computing, user will connect to the PC, and that PC will connect to the another PCs or servers. Nowadays also most of the people are using networking computing. Later version, internet computing is came. That is, user will connect to PC, that PC will connect to the net, and the net will connect to the server. Later grid computing is came. Through the PC, user will connect to the PC. Later version, cloud computing is came. In this cloud computing, user will connect to the PC, and that PC will connect to the only internet, not the server. That server, everything we can get the through internet only. This is the cloud architecture. In this cloud architecture, client computers will be connected to the internet, and to the internet only, distributed servers or data centers will be connected. Main mediator is internet. So between the client and database, main mediator is internet. This is the cloud architecture. Why people are interested to cloud computing is, it is a multi-tenancy architecture. One second.
Okay.
It is a multi-tenancy architecture. Means server will maintain at sender's place. That services will be accessed by many people. That is multi-tenancy. And pay per use. How much data, how much space you are using in the server means that much only you can able to pay. Okay. And other use is, you can connect to the cloud computing through PC or through mobile, tablet, anything from anywhere in world through internet. And security also provided by the server providers only. In this IT field, to maintain the server, to maintain the team, to maintain the place, everything is very high cost. Using cloud computing, nowadays companies are almost 70 to 90% is reducing the cost to develop a application. Using this cloud computing, people will developing the application in very less span of time. It is a main advantage of cloud computing, and people also require very less to develop a very large application also. There is no required to large people. So companies are nowadays trying to move on cloud side. Who can be on the cloud means who can able to use the cloud computing means small scale companies just think that one TV manufacturing company is there. That is a small company. If you maintain the data for the company, means they have to buy a server, they have to maintain administration team, support team. Later, they have to maintain the development team to create the application. So the cost is very high. So very big companies means that can able to pay lakhs or crores of rupees, but small companies will be not able to not able to pay more money to to maintain the data. So that's why this is the best option to the small scale industries. And so who are doing e-businesses, uh, they can also easily use the cloud computing. Another is short-term use. Short-term use means for temporary 1 or 2 years, you have to maintain the data. Means for the 1 or 2 years, you have to buy the new server and maintain the server. After 2 years, what can do with that server? Server's cost is very high. That is lakhs and crores. That is waste of money. Using cloud computing, you can use for a short term, for 1 year or 2 years or long term, based on your work. Using this cloud computing, you can able to get the data from another softwares like Oracle or SAP, Java, anything. You can simply connect to that application and you will easily get the data from other applications. That is called get services. Using cloud computing, they will provide the 3 types of services. Okay. One is as, one is PaaS, one is SaaS. As means infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure means database, servers, security. That all under comes in the as infrastructure. PaaS means platform, where you are building the application, means where you are writing the code, where you are executing the code. That all you can do on the platform only. That is called platform as a service, PaaS. SaaS means after you develop an application where you can use. That is comes SaaS. One real-time example is building. As comes bricks and material, steel, everything. Using PaaS, we can build the one apartment. SaaS means after completing the building, you are paying the monthly rental and using that building. That is SaaS. SaaS means using software as a service. Example, Gmail. Gmail is basically SaaS, means just you are using that application, means sending the mail. See here. Gmail is there. See, whenever you are clicking on the compose, means one new window is opening, and in that window towards the subject and send button is there. That is totally designed by the PaaS and as. You are just using this uh, sending mail as a SaaS. Just you are using this software. Backend lakhs of lines code is there to send the mail, but that is code will be not able to see you. But you are just using that users. This is the best example for the SaaS. See, nowadays SaaS examples are Salesforce.com, and recently Microsoft is launched Office 365. There is also SaaS application, and Google comes under SaaS only. Means Gmail, Gmail, everything. Just you are using email also one software. Actually, the software is you are using. The software is developed by other person. The data, whatever photos or whatever images or whatever text you are written, the total code, the total images that all are saved in the server. The servers are, you don't know where that servers are there. That is one of the examples for the cloud computing. SaaS characteristic is you can use SaaS how much you can use, that much you can pay. And software delivered in a one to many models, means one Gmail is able to access lakhs of crores of people. There is no software upgrades and patches, means you don't want to upgrade your software. If you buy the Microsoft Java, means after 1 or 2 years, one latest version will become. You have to pay the money to upgrade that version. Okay, but in this SaaS, you don't want to think about the upgrades that SaaS provides will be do the total upgrades, and they will maintain total. You have to just pay the money only. And APIs allows for integration between different pieces of software. APIs means application program interface. Using this, you can connect with Java, .NET, Oracle, everything. API is a one code that is understandable by every software. We can convert our code into APIs and send to the other softwares. They can able to convert that APIs into their own language, and they can understand that. So using API, you can able to connect with other softwares. PaaS means platform. Whatever application you can develop, and after you can develop the application, you have to test the application. So that testing and deployment, you are moving that application to the end user. That is called as deployment. Everything done is on the PaaS only. That is similar to backend. Whatever you can write the code, that total code will be executed on the PaaS only. For the PaaS, best examples are Force.com. This Force.com is the backend for Salesforce.com. We can discuss about the Force.com later. Assume Azure, Windows Azure is one of the best example. Google App Engine also one example for the PaaS. As is nothing but database servers maintenance security. This called as. Using this as, that cloud computing provider will give the security, space, everything to the end user. Rockspace, GoGrid, Amazon Web Services are the some as service providers nowadays in the market. Mainly, cloud computing is three types. One is public cloud, another one is private cloud, next hybrid cloud. What is the public cloud? Public cloud means nothing but a server maintained at the sender's place. That server will be that server resources will be accessed by many peoples. That is called public cloud. Means public, anyone can able to use that server resources, means space, database, like that. Our Salesforce comes under public cloud one, because that server is maintained by Salesforce.com persons. So this Salesforce comes under public cloud. For the public cloud, lakhs of tenants, means users can connect to that resources. And next is private cloud. Private cloud is nothing but privately, means personal cloud. One organization or one company is maintaining the one own server. Only the company persons will be able to use the resources of that server. This is called private cloud. Hybrid means combination of public and private is called as hybrid. This is types of cloud computing. See here. This is the network and this is the internet. To this internet, this called public cloud, means there are number of companies are connect to the internet and using this database. This is the cloud providers who is providing the service to the people. These are called providers. These cloud providers are maintaining the servers and giving the security space to these people. This private cloud means they are maintaining separate servers. They are using own servers. Hybrid cloud means combination of the servers and connect to the public cloud and as well as private cloud is called as hybrid cloud. What is the best uses of cloud computing? The cost for maintaining the cloud computing is very less. First thing the company will think about the customers. This is the best option. Using cloud computing, we can pay very less amount to use the server. Speed of delivery means you can connect to the server and as well as get the data very fast. This cloud computing mainly think that how much capacity of data you are using, means how much space you are required in the database server. So that is depend upon the company. So here is a compute cloud means nothing but software. using software we can develop. Storage cloud means database. Cloud application means backend. When you don't want to use the cloud computing means hardware dependencies. Hardware dependency means if you are using one software, that software is required heavy 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 servers and processes means that time you don't want to prefer the cloud computing. And server control. Server control means if you are thinking that the server will be under control of viewers means that time you don't choose cloud computing. Cost. If you are able to pay lakhs or crores of rupees to maintain the server means that time you can simply maintain your own server. And integration with the existing application. In this form means you are connected to the other applications, other software means that time getting data from other softwares, that time you can face some problems, some security problems or speed will be sometimes less. That type of problems sometimes you will be dead. So if you don't want that type of problems means simply you don't use the cloud computing. Nowadays, in this feature, cloud computing will be most probably 70 to 80% people will be used in the next feature. See here, nowadays, presently, most of the people are using cloud computing. Previously, they are using the infrastructure, software, storage. So, but nowadays people are interested to maintain the cloud computing. This is about the basic of cloud computing. Do you have any doubts about cloud computing?
No, sir. No, sir, I don't know.
Just cloud computing is nothing but using internet. We are developing the application. That is Android apps or Apple apps. Anything, whatever application you can able to develop in Java, .NET, SAP, any software, the total the type of application you can build in the cloud computing.
Okay.
With the less time, with less cost, using less people. So
Okay.
using the cloud computing, Salesforce is key. Salesforce is nothing but the concept is using the one of the company. Similar to Salesforce, there are a number of companies are there. They are also providing the cloud computing means SaaS or PaaS. But in the total, Salesforce is nowadays number one company. Why means we can discuss now.
Yes.
Are you able to understand my class or a little bit speed or slow?
Sorry, sir. Pardon?
Are you able to understand my class?
Yes, sir. Understand. I understand. Demo is good, sir. Good, sir.
Before starting the Salesforce, we have to know that what is Salesforce, when to use, what is the uses, what, when, why we have to use this Salesforce. We can think about these three things. Salesforce is nothing but SaaS application. Means similar to Gmail, it is also one application. Means using Google Gmail, we can sending the mails. So we can using that similar to same application, same like that only. This is the one installed software in the internet. Using that installed software, we can build in the new applications. This is the SaaS. Salesforce.com is a CRM product. Means CRM means customer relationship management. About the CRM, we can discuss later. But first of all, we have to know the Salesforce.com. Salesforce.com is there is nothing but it is company name. It is the organization name. Similar to Windows or Oracle, like that only. Salesforce.com is a company name.
Okay.
They are providing the SaaS application. Backend means PaaS is the Force.com. So what is Salesforce? Salesforce is a application. Using this application, we can build the new application. See here.
Yeah.
1 second. It is a Salesforce. Using username password, you can log into Salesforce. There you can build any type of application. Means for the tablet or for PC or for mobiles, anything you can develop. Speed problem is so that's why the loading is very low. See here. This is a Salesforce interface. Here we can create, we can develop, we can do anything. This is the SaaS application. This is front end. Back end is the Force.com. We can't able to see that back end. See, small. Create. Using tabs and GUI interface, you can able to create the applications, packages, anything. It is GUI interface, point and click. Using point and click, we can build the application, and to additional functionality, we have to write some code. So we can discuss about coding that all things. Just I am showing what is the Salesforce.com. Salesforce.com backend is the Force.com. The slogan of Salesforce is there is no software, no hardware, no operating system, no database. Means that Salesforce is not required to install any software on your PC, and you don't want to maintain any networking connections like that, and you don't want to install any operating system for Salesforce. You don't want to maintain the server also. It is offering pay as you go. Means for a single user, you can pay for monthly basis. $150, $250, $100, like that. How much space you want to for that application, and how much users using that application. Based on that, you have to pay the amount for Salesforce. This is pay per use. Salesforce.com is one of the CRM applications. Company using CRM, companies will be know that how much sales are going on, which products are demand in the market, how much money they are invested in that company. They are getting the profit or loss. That all things simply the companies will be easily understand and quickly get using the Salesforce. Using Salesforce, we can reduce the cost. Complexity is also reduced. Means we can this using this application is very simple. You don't want to require think, or you don't want to require to maintain servers like that. It is simple user interface. Anyone can understand that. Anyone can use this application. So there is no complexity there. Time is saved. Means within short period you can develop a very large applications. Resources also reduce, means waste of cost for place, for servers, for large amount of developer. That all we can reduce using the Salesforce. Increase the storage, means if you want 1 GB data, means that Salesforce will be give the only 1 GB for your company. Or you want to 1000 GB, means they will provide the 1000 GB space for your company, and they will charge for the 1000 GB. And if you want to 2000 GB also, they can able to provide the as much as you require the storage. It is simple user interface. Yeah, that is only. With all the application is using find and click only. Users can easily understand, easily use this application. There is no complexity in using this Salesforce applications. Every small industries can use the Salesforce. Very small industries, they are not unable to maintain pay the lakhs or thousands of crores of rupee, means the small companies also simply maintain the Salesforce, because the maximum price is $250 per a month. For a company, $250 is not a big issue. Maximum, if you are a small company, means you can simply pay $100 also, but resource will be less compared to $250. That is the main difference. Low maintaining, low risk. Using Salesforce means you don't require any security problems, any server fails and backup data. If you are maintain the server, means sometimes that servers will be clashes. That time always you have to maintain the backup for data. So if you are using a Salesforce, means there is no required to maintain the backup data. There is no risk. You don't want to put special focus on security, but backup, security, everything Salesforce.com will be provide the services. So that all the things, that all the risk takes by Salesforce.com. For this reason, Salesforce is nowadays #1 in the world. Yeah, about the Salesforce.com history. This Salesforce.com is started in 1999. Founders are Mark Benioff and Parker Harris. These two people are previously working in the Oracle, and later they come out from Oracle, and they are created a new history through Salesforce. Using Salesforce, they are given a new revolution in IT industry. Main this Salesforce.com headquarters are in USA, but the servers are maintained all over world, in the Singapore, in the USA, UK, in the almost all in the world, 16 to 20 places they are maintaining the servers. Main people are founders only. Using Salesforce, they are providing the cloud computing and social enterprises. Cloud computing is, you know, the what is the cloud computing? For 2013, the revenue is 3.05 billions. There are lakhs of users are using this Salesforce. So the Salesforce.com nowadays that the revenue is 3 billions. It is the highest amount in whose companies are providing the cloud computing. It is a number one. They are getting the very high revolution. So nowadays this is the wrong. There are lakhs of users are there. Website is Salesforce.com. www.salesforce.com is the Salesforce.com's official website. Worldwide, in CRM functionality, Salesforce is the number one. 1 lakh above companies are nowadays using the Salesforce in the market. Almost all 20 lakhs above users are using the Salesforce, means small companies like that. And this Salesforce will be not only in English. This Salesforce support 18 languages. Mainly Salesforce is CRM providers. This CRM, we can discuss the next section of what is the CRM. But today we can discuss about only Salesforce. This is the first cloud company who is reached the 3 billions. And this Salesforce is providing the free licenses for some universities. Without taking any money, they are given the free license to some university to develop their skills on the cloud computing. Almost all the cost is $15,000. And App Exchange. App Exchange is nothing but it is a marketplace. What are the applications developed in the Salesforce that all are kept in the App Exchange? Using the App Exchange, users will check that App Exchange, and whatever required applications are there, some of the applications will be free of cost, some are per cost. They will pay the money and they will get that application. Simple example is similar to Android applications. And nowadays, Android applications, there is lakhs of applications are there. Yes or no? Hello? 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 Yeah, hello? Hello? Is there? Hello?
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Are you able to?
Yes, now I am hearing you, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Salesforce applications are up to today they are 1
Hello.
crore 20 lakhs 3,000. Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Tell me, sir. Now I am hearing you, sir.
Up to today there are 1 crore 20 lakhs 3,048 applications they are developed on Salesforce today. If you watch
Okay.
after 1 week means this uh, these numbers will be increased. Means there are lakhs of people are using this Salesforce. So that's why some of the developers, some of the companies are developing different type of applications for Salesforce. Applications are simple, similar to Android apps only. Like that only, they have developed some applications and they are placed in the App Exchange. App Exchange is the one of the website. In that website, that application will be available free of cost and as well as per the uh, pay purpose. You can simply pay the money and you will install that application in your account. You can use that application. So recently, Force company is decided that these top hundreds Salesforce.com is get that world's 19th largest company and the 19th place in the Fortune's 100 company. So within 1 2 years, this will go Salesforce.com will be go in the top 5. There is a lot of customers and lot of organizations are thinking to move the Salesforce. This is just what are the products and services provided by the Salesforce.com. They are providing the CRM and sales cloud. Sales cloud means nothing but how the you have to sell the product, how to market, uh, how to get the leads, how to utilize the leads. This Salesforce will give the total guidance to users to get revenue. And service cloud means simply customer support. After buying that product, they will using service cloud. They can quickly respond to the customers and they will quickly give the answers or solution to the customers who are get the problems with their products. This will provide the service cloud, uh, sales and as well as service support. Forge.com platform is backend. App Exchange means this is a marketplace where you can develop and you can purchase or you can buy any application. It is a marketplace. Web service means nothing but it is using these web services you can connect any software, means any different applications you can simply connect to with the different applications and you can get the data. These all are the services providing by the Salesforce.com. Types of releases. Previously, I said that if you are by the Java means after 1 year you have to upgrade the Java. For the upgrade, you have to pay the money to the Oracle company. But in the Salesforce, they will upgrade their software every 4 months, and they will not charge extra cost for the upgradation. They will take as much you will pay previously, that much only. Per year, they will three types of release are there, means three types of upgrades will be done by the Salesforce.com. One is summer release, one is winter release, one is spring release. Presently is summer 13. Now present Salesforce.com is version is the summer 13. And then in 2 months we will get the winter's 14. For every release, they will maintain the logo. Now at present this is the logo. In the next version, this is the logo. Integration. This is the Salesforce. Using Salesforce, you can connect any websites, app exchange, email services, Outlooks, Gmail, Yahoo, anything, and as well as you will connect to the mobiles, PC, tablets. You don't require to software. It is the symbol of Salesforce. This is just about the Salesforce.com basic. See here, this is the present logo. For this, to use the Salesforce, you don't require anything, just one laptop or PC and a internet connection, and you have to pay the money for username and password. Just for monthly wise, they will provide us services. The cost will be $50, $20, and $100 are there. Like that also. Based on the services, they will charge to the people. This is just overview about the Salesforce. Yeah. You have any doubts? Hello?
Hi, sir.
Hello?
Yeah, hi.
Yeah. You have any doubts?
No, sir. Demo is good, sir. Nice.
Okay. Thanks. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Thanks. Yeah. Bye.
Welcome, sir.